Hello guys, hope you're doing well. In today's video, I will subscribe Gemini Pro 4 months. Okay, you can see there Google AI Pro plan, Gemini Pro. This is 4-month plan, so I will subscribe this. You can see the process. Okay, I will click on agree. Now I need to add card. I will add card details here. I have added the card details here. Sorry, this was mistake. So I will enter it again with correction. Okay. Now I think it's okay. Yeah. So we need to enter details here. Details, expiry date and security code. Okay. Okay, this is a plan. So I will click on subscribe. You can see here it has been subscribed. The Gemini Pro 4-month plan has been subscribed. If you need accounts of Gemini Pro 4 months, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. I will provide you my WhatsApp in comment. You can check the pinned comment of this video. Okay. We have also available AI tool. You can see here the Pro plan. This is the Pro plan has been activated. Okay, and you can use Gemini Pro.